Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could use the stopwatch on your Android phone. So if you wanna use the stopwatch, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply head towards your clock application. Now once you're on the clock, here at the bottom right corner you'll see that there is an option of stopwatch, so simply tap on that. In order to play the stopwatch, simply tap on the play button over here, and right now as you guys can see that it has been started. Now there is an option of flag. If you'll tap on that, it will give you a count over here. Then there is another option which are like this will pause the stopwatch and you can start that again. You can start a cycle, you can make flags, and you can tap on them as much as you can. So if you want to do settings of stopwatch, you can tap on three little dots, head towards settings. There is like style and then display time in second as well. There are a lot of different options. You can select any of the option. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you.